Dear students, we are studying second chapter from 11th standard, relations and functions. And the definition is a relation f from a set A to set B is said to be function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. What does this mean? Understand. If A is a set of 1, 2, 3, if A is a set of 1, 2, 3 and B is a set of 2, 3, 4 and A is having a image, 1 is having a image 2 is having a image 3 is having a image 4. It means every element, please note here, every element is having one and only one image in set B. Then we can say this as a function. Again I am repeating the definition. See, a relation f from set A to set B is said to be a function if every element, please note, every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. If there is any other element 4 in set A, then this will not be called as a function. The reason is 4 is not having any image in set B. So if the 4 exists, then it will not be called as a function. One more thing, try to understand. If it is something like this, 1 is having and 1 is having image 2 is having image 2 and 3 is also having image 2. Please note, every element in set A is having an image and it is having only one image. In this case also it becomes a function. Only I have told you, I have told you that 1, 2, 3 having the images 2, 3, 4 is a function. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 having the images 2, 3, 4 is not a function. Here 1, 2, 3 having 2 as the image is a function. So we have studied three problems. Let us try to understand the function in other words. Here, in other words, the definition of function is a function f is a relation. So it is a relation from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B. Please note here, both the sets are non-empty sets and it is a relation. Function is a relation from non-empty set to non-empty set B such that domain of f in A and no two distinct pairs in f have the same first element. Let us try to understand this. If R is a relation, let us try to understand this definition. Here, a function f is a relation. So we have written some relations. Let us study whether it is a function or not. From a non-empty set A to non-empty set B. You can understand here A is a set of A, B, C and B is a set of 1 and 2. If both are non-empty sets. Now such that domain of f in A and no two distinct pairs in f have the same first element. So please note here A is different, B is different, C is different. Here all first elements are different, so it is a function. In this second relation, let us see. Here it is a set of A is a set of A, B and C and B is a set of 2, 3 and 4. Here please note, here A, this ordered pair is having same first element. So this is not a function. Not a function. It is not a function and this is a function. Let us try to understand the next two more definition. If f is a function, please note this is a function from A to B. Every set of element A is having one and only one image. So it is a function. If f is a function from A to B, then B, that is the element of B. This element of B is called image. So this 1, 2, 3 is called image. We have already studied this. And A means the set element of set A. Element of set A is called pre-image. See now, example 10. It is a solved example in textbook. Let us try to understand. Examine each of the following relation given below and state in each case giving reason whether it is a function or not. We are asked to find the relation whether it is a function or not. Now from this you can understand the set A is a set of 2, 3 and 4. B is a set of 1 and 2. Please understand, 2's image is 1, 3's image is also 1, 4's image is 2. Every element in set A is having only one image, so this is a function. So since every element of set A, every element of set A has only one image, it is a function. Please understand this, don't get confused. Here 2 is having one image, that is 1, 3 is having one image, that is also 1, and 4 is also having one image, that is 2. So every element of set A has only one image in set B, hence it is a function. Now see, second problem asked is, R is a relation of 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3 and 4, 4. From this, let us try to write domain and range. So we will get 2 is the 2, 3 and 4 is the set A, and B is the set of 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Then understand this, 2 is having an image 2. Then next is 2 is having image 4. Then 3 is having image 3. And 4 is having image 4. So here please understand, these 2 is having two images. 2 is also one of the image and 4 is also one of the image. Hence it is not a function. The reason is, every element in set A is having an image, but it is not having only one image. So every element in set A does not have only one image, hence it is not a function. Same, first element 2 has two images 2 and 4, hence it is not a function. Now please correct this. I have made it example number 10, actually it is example number 11. In the third question is, R is a relation of 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6 and 6, 7. Now if you try to represent with the help of arrow diagram, we will get it is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and B is the set of, second set is of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please understand, 1 is having a relation with 2, 2 is having relation with 3, then 3 is having relation with 4, 4 is having relation with 5, 5 is having relation with 6, and 6 is having relation with 7. Every element in set A is having only one image of set B, hence it is a function. Thus every element of set A has only one image in set B, hence we can call this as a function. Let us complete our example number 10. Example number 10 is, let n be the set of natural numbers. We have already studied capital N is used for denoting the set of natural numbers. So n be the set of natural numbers, and the relation R be defined on n. So R is a relation from n to n, that is relation on n, we can say, such that R is equal to set of xy, two elements, where xy belongs to natural numbers and y is equal to 2x. What does this mean? So this is equal to, let us understand with the help of diagram. I will try to make you understand this. A is a set of, first element is a set of xy belongs to natural number, means it is the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please understand, it is a set of natural numbers. It is an infinite set, so we cannot represent it with the help of arrow diagram or a set. But I am just trying to explain you, just for your understanding I am trying to draw. This is an infinite set. We cannot write all the elements of natural numbers in this form. So understand this. First element x is a natural number. Second element y is also a natural number. So y is also a natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. This is also an infinite set. Cannot be shown with the help of set. I am just trying to explain. you don't show this. This is the incorrect way to represent the answer. Now we are given that y is equal to 2x. So this is equal to 2x. So it means image is 1, y1 is having a image 2, 2 is having a image 4, 3 is having a image 6, 4 will have a image 8, 5 will have a image 10, and so on. Now we ask what is the domain. So you can understand domain is a set of natural numbers. Natural numbers. Then we are asked to write codomain. Codomain means again a second set. So codomain is also a set of codomain is a set of again natural numbers. Then third thing we are asked, write the range of the relation. So range, if you understand, if you watch carefully, you will understand 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. So it is a set of R is a set of 2, 4 range is a set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and just up to 2n, where up to 2n you can see, or you can see it is a set of all even natural numbers. Now we are asked, is this relation a function? Please note, every element of set A is having one and only one image in set B. Hence this relation is a function. This relation is a function.